Greetings and welcome to Infortrend. Today we will take a look at Infortrend Enterprise Cloud, or IEC for short, our high-performance private cloud solution designed for modern enterprise workloads. This video contains technical content intended for informational purposes only. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our representatives for further assistance. We will start with the product overview first, then continue with the main applications for this solution. After that, we will go in detail about the system itself, both hardware and software parts of it. And finally, we will highlight the core features that makes IEC a powerful and scalable private cloud platform. Infortrend Enterprise Cloud is designed to unify computing, storage, and Kubernetes management into a single powerful platform. Whether you're running modern containerized workloads or traditional virtual machines, IEC delivers the flexibility and reliability needed for seamless operations. Here are a few key highlights we'll explore in more detail later. First, cluster-based architecture enables flexible scaling with intelligent resource management that dynamically allocates capacity where it's needed the most. High-performance compute nodes are optimized to handle a wide range of demanding workloads. Next, a built-in application marketplace that simplifies the deployment of common tools and solutions. And finally, support for various enterprise storage systems, ensuring strong data performance, scalability, and security. Infortrend Enterprise Cloud is built for both simplicity and scale. Start small with just a single node and scale out horizontally as your compute needs grow. With built-in high availability, applications and data stay online even in the event of a hardware failure. Resource management is automatic. It dynamically balances workload across compute and storage to maximize performance and efficiency. The system also features a user-friendly graphical user interface, making IT operations and resource allocation easy to manage, even for teams without extensive experience. For AI and compute-intensive workloads, high GPU utilization allows multiple applications to share GPU resources efficiently, improving cost effectiveness. Comprehensive backup capabilities also ensure fast recovery of applications, virtual machines, and configurations in case of a system failure. And finally, IEC supports a wide range of vertical applications, streamlining the deployment and migration of industry-specific tools. Infortrend Enterprise Cloud supports a wide spectrum of use cases, including enterprise IT, smart manufacturing, AI, and high-performance computing. It streamlines IT operations with integrated virtualization and backup, accelerates factory automation with centralized device management, and powers AI development through efficient GPU resource sharing. For HPC workloads, IEC delivers the scalability and performance needed for simulation, analysis, and other compute-intensive tasks. The KS compute node is equipped with powerful processors and is optimized for performance-heavy workloads. With powerful CPUs, GPUs, and ultra-fast NVMe storage, it delivers the compute power needed for AI, HPC, and real-time data processing, all in a compact, scalable design. IEC supports seamless integration with Infortrend's proven storage systems, GS, CS, and GSX, giving enterprise the flexibility to match infrastructure to workload. Together, they offer scalable, high-performance storage tailored to real-world demands. IonStor GS combines high-speed SSDs and large-capacity HDDs, ideal for general-purpose enterprise storage. IonStor CS is a scale-out NAS built for unstructured data and centralized management at scale. IonStor GSX delivers parallel file performance for HPC and AI training scenarios, perfect for demanding AI and HPC workloads. Eon One is the unified management interface for IEC. It provides real-time visibility into hardware resources through a graphical, web-based dashboard, making it easy to monitor system status, performance, and health. Eon Cube is the application management layer of IEC, designed to simplify and streamline operations in a cloud-native environment. It centrally manages both containerized applications and virtual machines, making hybrid workflows easy to run and maintain. IEC is built for performance at scale, delivering massive compute power, GPU acceleration, and high-speed storage across a clustered architecture. IEC's cluster-based design makes it easy to scale out. As workloads grow, you can add compute nodes without downtime, ensuring uninterrupted service and smooth expansion up to 20 nodes. IEC ensures continuous availability through automated failover and data replication. If a node fails, services and data automatically shift to healthy nodes with no disruption. Even node removal and recovery can happen without downtime, keeping your applications running smoothly. Backed by Infortrend's proven expertise in enterprise storage, IEC delivers reliable backup for both containers and virtual machines, covering data, configurations, and system states. With off-site backup support and customizable scheduling, IEC protects critical workloads with efficiency and confidence. IEC maximizes GPU efficiency with two deployment features. GPU sharing enables dynamic allocation across multiple applications, improving overall utilization. For performance-critical workloads, GPU pass-through delivers near-native speeds by giving virtual machines direct access to physical GPUs. IEC supports both containerized and virtualized environments, making it easy to run traditional or cloud-native applications. It's compatible with Windows and Linux, ensuring flexibility across diverse deployment needs. IEC enables rapid deployment in under 30 minutes with a built-in installation wizard. Diagnostic tools support quick troubleshooting, while the intuitive interface streamlines ongoing management. IEC offers flexible deployment options to fit organizations of all sizes. Start with a single-node system for basic needs, step up to a dual-node setup with high availability, or scale to a multi-node cluster for maximum performance and scalability. Each option delivers full functionality tailored to your business growth and IT strategy. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please feel free to scan the QR code on your screen to go directly to our website and check out our new products. We will be waiting for your feedback.